In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a synced.lrc lyrics file using an LRC editor. An .lrc file is a small text file that pairs each line of your song's lyrics with a timestamp, so compatible music players can highlight the words right as they're sung. The overall flow is simple. You'll load your song and plain lyrics into an LRC editor, play the track, tap to sync each line as it starts, and then export the finished file with the right name and details so your player can find it. Start by opening your LRC editor and loading the audio file for the song you want to sync. Next, add the lyrics in plain text. Plain means no timestamps or extra markers, just the words, one line per lyric in the order they're sung. Take a moment to check that the lyrics match your specific version of the track. If there are extra blank lines or mismatched verses, tidy them up now so your syncing session feels smooth. When you're ready, press play in the editor. As the music starts, focus on the first line of the lyrics. The key action is to tap the sync button at the exact moment you hear the first word of each line begin. Each tap drops a timestamp automatically on that line. If you're a fraction early or late, don't worry. Most editors let you pause, rewind a few seconds, and retap that line. Stay a beat ahead with your eyes so you're prepared for the next cue. If there's an instrumental intro or a long pause, just wait until the singing starts again. Then keep tapping in time. Work steadily through the song, line by line, keeping your taps consistent. After you've reached the end, it's time to export. Look for an export or save option that produces a standard LRC file. Add helpful metadata like the song title and the artist if your editor supports it. This information helps players display things nicely. Most important, save the .lrc with the exact same base name as your audio file and put it in the same folder. For example, if your audio is named mysong.mp3, your lyrics file should be mysong.lrc in that same location. Avoid extra punctuation or different spelling, since many players match files by name. That's it. By loading your song and playing lyrics, tapping to sync each line as it begins, and exporting with the right name and details, you'll have a clean, time-aligned .lrc file ready for real-time lyrics. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your perfectly synced tracks.